Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video we will go through how we download and monitor our code using USB serial cable in Schneider Machine Expert Basic. I made a new project already. I will add the CPU I am using to the project. Then we go to the Programming tab. I will make just a simple rung of code with one memory bit turning on an output on the PLC. Then we go to the Commissioning tab. This is where we can see all our available devices. If I now connect the cable from the PLC to my USB port on my laptop, we will see our device will pop up. We then simply click the device and then log in. Then we click on Start Controller. If we go back to the Programming tab, we can see that we're online and can trigger our memory bit. And it gets signal to the PLC output. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.